There are definitely a few misses in this haul, unfortunately. But I wanted to share with you guys what you might be able to pick up. So the first thing I got was a dress. And it is this shirt dress. It's in this really pretty blue colour. I picked it up in a size large. And it's called the striped shirt dress. And it was $49.99. I really like wrap over dresses. And I really like shirt dresses. The issue that I have all the time though is that short dresses, especially ones that don't have any give, are most of the time too short for me. But I always live in hope. I always live in hope, and I'm a trier. And so I saw this shirt dress and I thought that I should just try it. I just thought I'd try it just because in my mind's eye, I thought like with a nice boot, it would look really nice. But unfortunately, it doesn't work for me. It's too short. The sleeve length is too short, which I don't really mind too much in a shirt dress or a shirt because I can always roll the sleeves up. So the sleeve length wasn't really a major issue for me. It's more that it just really doesn't cover my bum. And I don't know why I torture myself, but when I find a dress I like that's mini, that hits, it really hits. I really love mini dresses. It's just they're very hard for me to shop. I think if you're anywhere under 5'9", this shirt dress will be great for you. It does wrap over, so there's a button on the inside at the waist and then another button on the front side. So you do it up in the middle, inside, and then outside as well. I do like the wrap over style. This kind of style is just very complimentary on most shapes. It highlights your narrower middle, which is always a good thing. So I'm actually really disappointed with this. Next, I picked up a striped shirt because as you can tell, guys, I've kind of got the shirt bug. I've been looking for blouses and shirts that I can wear to work that aren't just very plain and boring. So I saw this black and white striped collarless shirt. I also picked this up in a size large. You can see that it's got white trimming on it. It's kind of a silk-like material and it's called the contrast striped shirt and it's $39.99. And I thought that that was a reasonable price for a shirt, for a work shirt. Felt like I could tuck it into some black trousers or a black skirt. It's fine, it's okay. I could have done with a bit more length on my sleeves, but it's kind of the life I live where I just roll everything up. So it's okay, it's fine. I think it's because it's collarless, it is a bit kind of casual too. So if you are looking for maybe like a smart casual kind of shirt, then I think that this is a really good option. I think the stripes are cute. Next, I was super ambitious, guys, and I saw this two-piece set, the polka dot pleated pant and the asymmetric polka dot blouse. And I just thought it was really cute. I don't have much polka dotted clothes, so I thought maybe I could kind of zhuzh up the wardrobe and add a bit of polka dots. But it was an absolute fail, guys. It crashed and burned. Okay. What drew me to them initially was the wide leg trousers. And I know that manga doesn't necessarily cater to tall women, but I have on a couple of occasions been able to go in there and get a pair of trousers that fit just right. I think if you are like 5'10", 5'11", then trying out Mango for trousers is a good option. I find that their lengths are a bit generous. Everything comes a bit longer than usual, so I thought I would try out these trousers. I really love the wide-leggedness of it. It's a bit sheer. I thought it would be really nice with a pair of sandals and a pair of sunglasses during the warmer season that we're going into, but they were too they were too short. They were very, very, very short, okay? They were almost like at my calves short on me. I'm not going to offend you guys by showing you. And also there is a short on the inside here that is like a linen material. It doesn't have any stretch at all, and I have a lot of behind. And so I was able to get everything I have inside of it, but it really was not comfortable. These are quite high-waisted as well, which I like, but it being quite high-waisted, I felt as though the shorts were really getting in there. They were really, it was really squeezing. So these are a serious no, a hell no. They're a really bad no. I could have cried, they were so bad. The top's cute, but to be honest with you guys, I wasn't really considering the top outside of the set. So as soon as the trousers didn't fit, I was just like, okay, it's a wrap for the top. I didn't have any plans on keeping it, although I do think it's pretty cute. I wasn't super keen on the asymmetry. I picked it up in a large. It has one sleeve. The sleeve was too short. It does have a zip. It was okay. It was all right, but definitely not something that I will be keeping. And I guess if you're average height, then the set would be okay for you. But I don't know. I just felt like I could do with a bit more length in the body and a bit more length in the sleeves, and so it was enough for me. Next, I picked up the top that I have on. Again, I'm kind of looking for a few tops that, guys, excuse my nail. I literally got my nails done yesterday. I'm so angry. But I want to get a few tops that have a bit of unusualness to them that I can wear to work. So I saw this top that I've got on that looked pretty comfortable, but had this little hip detail, which I thought would be super nice with a pair of trousers or a skirt. It's called a cotton t-shirt with slit, and it's $19.99. I've pretty much had to purge all of my white tops because they are all a shade of off-white, a shade of browny white at the moment. So I'm trying to replenish all of my white tops. And I thought that this kind of creamy colour kind of looks like a basic, could really work well for me. And I like the fact that it's got a bit of sleeve. So as it gets warmer, I'm not going to feel as pressured to put something to cover my arms, because I feel covered enough with this kind of sleeve. So I like this top. I like it. What I realised when I was showing it to you guys is that it's slightly sheer, but I think that has something to do with the light. With the lights off, with these really harsh filming lights off, I think it's fine. It's actually a really nice material. It's kind of smooth and it's got a little bit of stretch to it. I do like the buttons up the side. They don't really reveal any stomach or anything, especially if you're wearing something high-waisted. It kind of just splits at a really nice position at the waist. It does have 2 buttons, so you can make the split a bit more open or a bit more closed if you want to, but it's definitely cute. And I do find with basics that sometimes, all of the time, what makes the difference between a good basic and a bad basic is the material, and the material on this is definitely the kind that I like. So next I picked up a cropped trench. Now I've worn this cropped trench a couple of times now already. It's called the cropped trench coat with lapels, and it's $59.99. This kind of cropped trench seems to be a bit of a trend at the moment. I did see it in Zara. There was one in Meshki that I was going to pick up, and then I saw this one, and I always enjoy Mango's quality, so I was because I find Mango does seem to be a bit more generous with their lengths, I thought I'd have a bit more of a chance of getting a decent arm length and a good quality. I like it. I've got makeup on it, but I like it. It is cute. I am trying to pick up a few more lighter coats that I can wear now. Now it's getting a bit milder because I've been bumbling around in my massive and other stories puffer that I need to let it go. Sometimes I get really attached to my winter coats. Like, it starts getting warm and I really don't want to take them off. So I've been trying to find a few replacements, a few options for me that I can reach for when I still want to wear a coat or a jacket, but it's warm. So I thought I'd pick this up. One thing about it though is that it is waterproof. So it does have like a waterproofy feel to it. I'm gonna see if I put it by the mic. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It does feel a bit like a raincoat. So it's got a bit of a raincoaty feel to it, which, I mean, I don't mind. If I was ever caught in the rain in this, I'd probably need an umbrella anyway. So I'm not really sure why it needs to be water repellent, but it's fine. I probably am going to pick up another one. This one I'd say is pretty, I don't know if straight is the word, but it's kind of like a classic traditional trench fit. What I also want is a crop trench like this, but one that is just a bit more oversized, a bit more baggy, a bit more puffy. If I can find what I'm thinking of, I'll put it here for you guys to see. I want one that looks like that as well. But this one is going to be good for work, and I guess if it's wet. I do really enjoy the colour. The construction's fine. I do like the little flap at the back that trenches have. So I'm happy with this one as well. I'm actually a little disappointed with this haul, but I was able to keep hold of a few of the more essential things that I need, like the trench. I really need a lighter coat, so I'm really happy that I was able to get that. Do let me know what you think of this video down in the comments. Have you been shopping at Mango? Is there anything that you've picked up that you like? Let me know, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.